Zinus Tricia Platform Bed, Mattress Foundation, Box Spring Replacement, Brown. Queen. Renew your bedroom with this pine wood platform bed by Zinus. Wood finished headboard and frame with metal interior frame support. Strong reliable wood slat support for your spring, memory foam, or hybrid mattress. Ships in one carton for easy assembly. No box spring is needed. This Zinus pine wood platform bed offers strong, reliable support for your mattress and looks great in dreamland. Zinus 12-inch green T memory foam mattress, CertiPUR-US Certified Bed in a box, pressure relieving. Queen. The recipe for our #1 best-selling mattress? Refreshing green tea, plush-as-a-cotton-ball memory foam, and over a decade of experience perfecting mattresses that make sleep a little more wonderful. Our green tea memory foam mattress begins with our proprietary green tea and charcoal infused memory foam because we're fanatics about finding the sleep-enhancing qualities of natural ingredients. And boy, do these ingredients work. Antioxidant-rich green tea helps keep your mattress fresh as a daisy, and ActivCharocal microparticles effectively block moisture that would otherwise lead to smelly smells. Precisely layered CertiPUR-US certified foams allow you to sink into this mattress just right, for a supportive feeling that cradles your achiest joints and aligns your spine. Open air pockets in the middle layer of comfort foam encourage airflow so you don't overheat, and they also add extra comfort beneath areas that need it most, like the shoulders, hips, and knees. A 10-year worry-free warranty is also included, so you can rest assured that we'll take care of you should anything about it fall short of perfection. Simply put, this plush mattress is proof that sweet dreams really do come true. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Updated styling with strong wood slat mattress support. Number 2. Easy to assemble and no box spring needed, mattress sold separately. Number 3. Wood headboard and frame with metal interior support. Number 4. Non-slip tape on the wooden slats prevents your mattress from moving. Number 5. The right combination. Our special recipe for rejuvenating rest? Refreshing green tea and moisture-absorbing ActivCharocal infused into pressure-relieving memory foam that cradles your shape so you awake free of aches and pains and fresh as a daisy. Number 6. CertiPUR-US Certified. Highest quality foam is CertiPUR-US Certified for durability, performance, and content. Number 7. Expertly packaged. Our technology allows this mattress to be efficiently compressed into one box that's easily shipped and maneuvered into the bedroom. Simply unbox, unroll and this mattress does the rest, expanding to its original shape within 72 hours. Number 8. Worry-free 10-year limited warranty included. Twin mattress supports a maximum weight of 250 pounds, while all other sizes can support up to 500 pounds. Number 9. Dimensions. 80 inches by 60 inches by 7 inches, 54.8 pounds, headboard height, 27 inches. Number 10. Non-slip tape on the wooden slats prevents your mattress from moving. Number 11. Easy to assemble and no box spring needed mattress sold separately. Number 12. Worry-free 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.